Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday the 26th of April 2017. So yesterday we saw the market move higher in the pre-market session. This, according to the news wires, was based upon great earnings from Caterpillar. They set the market up 172 points in the pre-market session. That's all it needed. Any bit of news, any glimmer of hope to move the market to the upside, they're going to use. As I've said before, they want the market up, they want to keep the market up, and they will do whatever they can. It started on Monday with the result from the French elections, with Macron winning the first round, and that was enough of a catalyst to send the market higher. We had the one buy signal, this just managing to trade up to the 21,000 level before it found a problem, and then traded sideways, broke through on this bar here, then came back through, and then it's just hugged the line, and then eventually it managed to stay above the line, which you'll see there. It's like a bit of a magnet. So 21,000 is screaming at us there now that this is the new support for this market. In the latter part of the first session, going into the quiet part, there was a sell signal, but we know, given the momentum in the first part of the session, as I've said before, you're not going to get any deal on the short side. The market is, as I've said before, going to pull back, but the market at the moment is onwards and upwards, because that's what they want. We are heading towards May, and that's where we could see, given that the market double tops, which looks like it could do fairly soon, then as we go into May, we'll see a pullback occur, and that ties in, of course, with the implied volatility. This is the daily chart, as you're fully aware of. Yesterday I said watch out for this level. Market's gone through the 76%. That has now become also a support level as well, which is 983. We notice the market sitting on 21,000. Need to take the high out on this bar. That's yesterday's high, and then we're free to trade up to the 21,172. Could have a bit of resistance on this high just here, but otherwise the road is clear. And again, just to prove that they want the market up, it doesn't matter how they want it up, just check out the volume for yesterday. Absolutely nothing. Helium market. This is levitating to the highs. No new buying in this market whatsoever. Just pure and blatant manipulation to move the market higher. The Fed's trading desk must have been in overdrive yesterday. News, crude oil inventories, again, these are a non-starter now, really. They don't really factor into moving the market. It says high impact news item, but as we've seen for the last couple of months, it doesn't really make a lot of difference anymore. Even though crude oil is down at the moment, it doesn't seem to register a response, and no doubt if it is bad news, it will be turned into good news to move the market to the upside and continue to head towards the all-time high. And finally, in the implied volatility, this was down slightly during no, sorry, it was up slightly, not down, from 843 up to 854. Which is slightly odd given the fact that the market gapped up and traded back towards the all-time highs, and that's probably and simply because some traders are getting quite worried about the effects of what this market's actually doing. So again, it's starting to increase a bit on the risk side. Unless they become comfortable with it and we see it move lower, then this is more or less probably a bottom for the time being at 843. Okay, so that's it for today. Short one, straight to the point. Expect more of the same, I would imagine. I can't see any reason or anything, unless something of a surprise comes out of the blue. Other than that, the market to the upside, back to the all-time highs, is where we're heading for the next few days. Right, that's it. Speak to you during the day. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.